A 2019 Ram Classic Bighorn, 26,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in white. Nice package here with the Bighorn. We're going to kind of walk around, show you some of the highlights and upgrades you get with the Bighorn package. In case you haven't run across it, you got the halogen headlamps with the integrated fog lights, as you can see. You also can see the ultrasound sensors in that lower chrome bumper fascia, and that is one upgrade you get with the Bighorn. You do get the upgraded center grille with chrome louvers inside and the chrome lower bumper fascia, so a little bit of a more chromed out look. Coming around to the side, the other upgrade, you get these nice big 20-inch chrome clad wheels. Also, we got Goodyear, these are factory original tires, half tread or better. You also can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results signed out by this technician in the glove box of all our cars. We'll show you that soon, but as we look at the front passenger side, you see we have a manual adjustment on that passenger seat. We've got a 40-20-40 fold down split center console bench. Allows for 6 passenger seating, which is nice. Also otherwise gray on gray interior with some brushed aluminum and some silver embellishments here throughout the door panel. You also can see the Bighorn badging on the interior as well. And let's go ahead and take a peek. You can see we've got the books there. Let's take a peek at this inspection report I just spoke of. You can find photos of this report in our picture gallery, but we really are proud of how we go over these vehicles. You can see all the tires are 9/32. The left front is a little lower at 7, but again, new tires are 10-12, so these are 3/4 tread or better. Pretty much all the way around. Brakes, new, looks like rears, light new fronts. Again, about the same 3/4 depth left on all the brakes also. Let's continue around. I do want to show you it does have the heated mirrors on the outside, color-coded door handles. And in the back on the crew, very spacious interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. It smells fine in here, but do have the vents there to allow the airflow to the rear. Standard box, got a wheel liner, but I can tell you there's no oxidation issues on the frame. Working our way around to the back, you can see the ultrasound sensors. The other thing the Bighorn does give you is the dual exhaust with chrome tips, as well as the chrome rear bumper. Do have the tow hitch there with the integrated wiring, 7 and 4. We also got your backup camera, drop-in bed liner in the back, sliding rear, power sliding rear mirror, rear glass. Again, wheels are all in good shape, tires all matched. Shot from this side as well. Like I said, nice clean interior. Now we do have full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side. And also we got the classic position of the locks, windows, and mirrors located right on the door. Also, we always promise 2 keys. You can see this one does have the factory remote start along with the keyless entry. And we'll start this truck up, get you the exact miles, but while it works on starting up, I'll show you the Carfax here. No accidents or damage, 1 owner. And it's going to let us know that, hey, we got our parking sensors turned on. We can toggle those on and off. I'll show you how as we continue. But you can see 26,809 miles on the vehicle. So we also got your headlamp controls over here. We got a cargo light button, automatic headlamp controls. We also got stem to the left, which is your intermittent wiper washers, high beams, and turn signals. Got your Bluetooth buttons above your control pad for your customizable dash. Got your cruise control. Excuse me. And the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission just with a touch up or a touch down. Now let's go through the control pad. So as we flip through this, see it shows you stored messages, what your audio frequency you're on, your distance till empty, your tripometers, your instant fuel economy and average fuel economy, tire pressure monitoring, and then you had the digital speedometer, and that's customizable. And what you see in the corners with the fuel range, 150 miles till empty, the time, you can actually customize different things that you want to see there in the center screen as well. It has the big touchscreen radio, AM, FM satellite radio. Of course, the ability to pair up either auxiliary, Bluetooth, or USB to play MP3 files. Does have the climate control, dual climate. We got your Apple CarPlay, Android tunes. There you see the ability to turn on and off or show your backup camera. There you see, even though you don't have it in reverse, you can take a peek at what the backup camera has to show you. If you're hooking up with a trailer, that's a nice feature. You had the SOS, hook you up immediately to 911. You can see your other settings there as well. There's your controls, we showed you that, and your customizable settings within the radio itself. Here's your dial shifter, automatic shifter. You have your electronic shifter on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. We put it in 2-wheel drive here. We have your traction, tow haul, ability to turn off your park and on your park cameras. You can turn them on and off on the front or the rear with a push of a button. 3 cup holders, and in the console's your connectivity. As you can see, there are 2 USBs and the aux. You also have a 12-volt power supply down here, and we got the 115 outlet right there. We got your LED map lights. There's your power slider button. We have the ability to pair your home link for garage door openers or such. 3 frequencies, auto dim on your rear view. There's an SOS button for help there as well. Illuminated visors. So pretty well equipped these Bighorns are. Let's go ahead and see. You have a push pedal for the emergency brake. Your hood releases right in the center. Of course, it's got a Hemi in it, so we're going to take a peek at that. 5.7 liter Hemi engine, tried and true, been used for a while. Also, you see clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. All your essential check and fill points are denoted with the caps and yellow dipstick handles. As you can see, helps make it easy to navigate, to know right where to go to check your fluids, top them off, whatever you need to do. Now, I showed you the mechanical evaluation and a copy of the auto history report. Last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. Just going to quickly walk around, show you any minor imperfections this vehicle may have. Part of the vehicle typically goes pretty quickly, as we only buy the cleanest off-lease and fleet vehicles available to us. We also have professionals come in and professionally remove any small minor dents or touch up any scratches. So, usually this part goes pretty quick. Got a little dirt here on the tailgate that I'm wiping off with my finger. But typically when you get damage on a truck, you're going to have minor damage on the tailgate. You see we touched that scratch up, a couple little scratches there on the tailgate. Everybody uses their truck to work. But you can see no dings on the tailgate, no dents on the chrome bumper. Very clean truck. Bed sides are clean. As you can see, no dings or dents on them. Doors look pretty good. Don't see any real chips or dings on those either. Fender looks fine. Even the front bumper painted portion is in pretty good shape. Just a piece of dirt there. Typically, again, there's a little chip, a couple little ones here on these painted portions of the front bumper you'll find, just because stones are going to hit it. Couple here on the hood. But all in all, guys, definitely a like new alternative here. Does still have the remainder of the comprehensive M powertrain warranty transferable from Ram to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a ring, area code 717-485-4224. Option 1 for sales, or shop 24/7 online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.